Just gathering my stuff together and getting ready to head out to the field. I'm gonna be playing till about 11. It's gonna be a really fun night, so see you out there.
You ready? Yo, you ready? Game starts in 5! Go, 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 go! Is there one back left? Is there one back left? My gun! My gun is shit! Is there one back left? Is there one back left? One home, one home! Sheldon, give me your gun! Sheldon, give me your gun! There's one home, one back left! My gun isn't shooting! Sheldon, give me your gun! Sheldon, Sheldon! Sheldon, if I can borrow your gun, can I bunker him? If I can use your gun, can I just run up to him? Cover me! Bree, cover me! Sheldon, let me just run up to him. You ready? Yeah. Watch out, it doesn't shoot. Alex, watch out! Watch out!
Hurry, go, go.
Sheldon, your gun sucks! Let's game! Let's game! Sheldon, your gun sucks ass! It stopped shooting! I was bunkering him and he wasn't shooting! Look at this shit! Look at this!
I got one.
Did you see me? I ran up all the way there and I go and it shoots snowballs.
Shit, that slide fucked up my leg.
Your gun is shit! Ah, my gun doesn't shoot. The struggle, bro. I don't even know what to do right now. Ah. Come on, Empire. Oh my god, I have a clear shot on him right now. Alright, here we go. Oh, oh, it's not working again. Come on, shoot over the line. Oh god. Oh shit, they're shooting at me. Come on, shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot! So good, bro. Shoot! No! Kill me! What am I supposed to do right now? They're shooting at me. Oh, oh. Got that boy! Got that boy! Got that boy! Let's go, let's go! My gun shot at the clutch moment, you know? Alright, here we go, here we go. Ready? Oh, my gun didn't shoot! My gun isn't shooting! Right, going on an adventure. Ah! What's up, bro? My gun! Shoot! Shoot, you stupid ass gun! My gun isn't shooting! It didn't pop! It didn't pop! Alright, here we go. It's gonna shoot this time! Shoot! You stupid gun! Fuck! Hey, bro! I got him! Let's go! Is that good? Oh no, there's one more! Oh, I'm in jail now. I'm vlogging in the middle of the game.